Alright, today I'm going to make a beat. Last time I used a loop, so today I'm going to be using a VST called Trophies by Studio Sounds, I believe. Bryan Michael Cox is the creator, and if you're not familiar with him, he's done a lot of Marcus Houston, Usher, Alicia Keys, Trey Songz, just like 2000s and 1990s era R&B, soul R&B. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I found this angelic harp, and I'm just gonna try to figure something out. I think I'm gonna make it around 160 BPM because that's what I've been on lately. Scale, I think I'll do F sharp minor. Let's do some chords. Alright, I guess that's cool for now. I just got duplicating chords. I guess I'll start with C sharp. I'll just... Alright, I'll duplicate that, make a new track or new MIDI track, and since I have a harp, let's try some bells. I don't like that. The poly, the rock pad. A little too much delay. Turn the attack up. Alright. Command Shift. And I'll highlight both of those, go down here, and then I'll hit focus. I'm gonna just duplicate this, just make it real simple. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is copy these, Command G to group. Then I'm going to add a halftime. Like this, Command A, bring it up an octave. Command A, bring that up an octave. also I'm gonna add an EQ8 for the sake of time. Alright, next up I'm gonna go to my Oracle kit. No tag snare. Let's just see what happens. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is add a hi-hat. Bring this down. Alright, next thing I'm gonna add is another snare. Again, duplicate this. Right, let's see. I'm gonna add another snare. Maybe add this over here. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is add an 808. Clean shape, I guess. And I'm just gonna put it on all of the kick or the 808s. And next thing I'm gonna do is put a glue compressor and a compressor on here as well. Ratio 3:1-ish. Boom. Hit sidechain, input, kick. Alright, so it's a little basic, but it kind of goes. guess it has to be